Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create an emergency loan type in DecisionLender. Loan types identify the product and workflow from which all events and processes are triggered. When looking to add a new unsecured personal loan type, such as an emergency personal loan type, many factors should be considered. Rate assignment, page layouts, rules profile, decisioning, credit pulls, document, core mapping, first payment date, stipulations, loan terms, online portal. After considering these questions, your institution should be in a stronger position to add new unsecured personal loan types. To set up your loan types, log into DecisionLender. Click on the Setup tab on the sidebar menu. Click on Decisioning. Click on Loan Types. Any existing loan types will display on this page. Click on the plus sign next to Loan Type. The Add New Loan Type page displays. Enter a name for your loan type. You may enter a description, but it is optional. If you check the Active box, you will be able to submit applications with this loan type. Select the product that is associated with this loan type from the drop-down list. Now select the credit group to associate the loan type to. Applications with this loan type will pull credit based on the configuration defined in this credit group. Enter the CP loan type if applicable. This refers to the consumer portal. Mark the checkbox under Enable Push Button for Consumer Portal. Select the category from the drop-down list that applies to the loan type. Select the source from the drop-down list that applies to the loan type. Enter the payment type. Make your selection from the drop-down list. Lastly, select the purpose that applies to this loan type. Click the Save button to save the new emergency loan type. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the loan type was saved successfully. You will see the new loan type listed on the loan type page. Note: once a loan type has been created, there are other areas in DecisionLender that may require additional setup before you can start using the new loan type, if applicable. Some of these areas include classifications, credit groups, dealer application preferences, documents, event handlers, fee plans, page layouts, portal loan types, rate sheets, reasons, rule profiles, split plans, and stipulations. Video tutorial links on each topic are available in the description below. The new loan type will now be added to TCI's digital branch. From the consumer's perspective in the consumer portal, the emergency unsecured personal loan will appear among the loan type options. Please be sure to set up and test in a demo environment before migrating to production. If you require updates to core mapping, please log a story in Bridge 360. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact your client support specialist. If you are unsure of the CSS phone number, please call the number on this screen. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.